Welcome back to Guide Hub. In this very video tutorial, I'll be teaching you how you can delete your AliExpress account. In order to do so, first of all, you have to find the very AliExpress application on your device. After you find it, you have to tap on it like this. When you tap on it, AliExpress account will be launched on your device. After that, you have to go to the profile section on the top. Now here you can see an interface like this. Here you have to tap on the option of edit. After tapping on the option of edit, now you have to go to the option of delete account. After tapping on the option of delete account, now it will take you to an interface like this. After it takes you to an interface like this, you can see that the very option of delete account is shown here. You can also read all of those that has been written because the request to delete account is final and cannot be undone. Therefore, you have to consider carefully before proceeding it. If you have read all of those steps, now you can tap on the option of delete your account. After tapping on delete your account, now it will take you to an interface like this. Here, a verification code will be sent to your very email that you have added on the AliExpress. You have to wait for a while. Now, as the code is sent here, you have to go to your email and then you can reload and you can see that a verification code has been sent to you. Now you can add it here. That is 992062 in mine. However, to you it will be different. Now after you find your verification code here, you have to tap on it. You also need to make sure that your verification code is correct. Therefore, you can just recheck whether your verification code is correct or not. If it's correct, you have to go to the option of verify like this. Now, after you tap on the option of verify, now here it will take you to an interface like this. Now here you have to tap on the option of delete account. After tapping on the option of delete account, your account will be deleted. And the process to delete the account is very simple. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.